you are somebody who is in Canada on a Spousal Open Work Permit or SOWP and interested in Alberta PNP, this video or this presentation is for you. I'm getting a lot of questions on the eligibility of SOWP holders as far as the Alberta PNP is concerned. Some people think the eligibility is automatic. Some people think that they are not eligible at all. To be very honest, the truth is somewhere in between. So in this particular video, we will discuss on the eligibility of SOWP as far as Alberta PNP is concerned. What I will not cover in this video is eligibility for SOWP. Whether you are eligible for SOWP or not, that's a different topic. But if you already have an SOWP, I'm going to discuss whether you could be or could not be eligible for SOWP. So that is the discussion we are going to have in this particular video. But before we begin, just to level set, let's quickly discuss what is an SOWP. SOWP, or a Spousal Open Work Permit, is an open work permit, as the name suggests, issued by IRCC to the people whose spouses are having a valid work permit in Canada. So if your spouse already has a valid, say, closed work permit or a valid student work permit, whatever valid work permit issued by IRCC, then you as a spouse can be eligible for SOWP. As I said, I'm not going to discuss the eligibility of SOWP, but for this particular presentation, I'm assuming that you already have a SOWP. And what I'm also assuming is you are also interested in Alberta PNP. So we just discussed what is an SOWP. Now, your eligibility as a SOWP holder for Alberta PNP will depend on the stream of Alberta PNP you are interested. So just having a SOWP and living in Alberta might not be enough for you to be eligible for Alberta PNP. It will depend on which stream you are interested in. So let's quickly look at the streams that are operated by Alberta PNP. I have a lot of videos on this particular topic, so I'm not going to go into much detail. But if you are a SOWP holder, you come under the category of workers. And for workers, there are 4 broad streams that are operated by Alberta PNP. We will look into each of these streams and see what are the work permit requirements under each of them. So, tourism and hospitality. Let's quickly look into tourism and hospitality. Tourism and hospitality needs a work permit which is based on LMIA. There are certain exemptions for people who are affected by wildfires, but in general, they need a work permit which is supported by a LMIA. SOWP is not supported by LMIA. It's an open work permit. So if you are interested in tourism and hospitality stream, then with your SOWP, you are not eligible. So tourism and hospitality is out of bound for SOWP. Next, let's look into the Alberta Opportunity stream. Alberta Opportunity streams is pretty open, is open to people who are already living and working in Alberta. Here, you need a valid work permit. SOWP is a valid work permit, and AOS needs valid work permit, which is either supported by LMIA or an LMIA exemption or an open work permit issued by IRCC under one of its policies. Okay, so your SOWP falls into this particular category. Obviously, you are not applying as a refugee or anybody else. So if you are holding an SOWP, which means that you have been issued a SOWP under IRCC's policy for open work permit, and if you meet the other requirements of AOS. So work permit is just one of the requirements of AOS. So if you go into the eligibility section for AOS, you will see there are a lot of other requirements: work experience requirements, occupation requirement, language requirements. There are a lot of requirements for AOS. Your SOWP might just meet the work permit requirement, but you will also have to meet all other requirements to be eligible for AOS. So if you have an SOWP, For AOS, you can be good. Next comes the Alberta Express Entry. Alberta Express Entry is managed along with the IRCC's Express Entry program. So for this, if you are eligible for IRCC's Express Entry, so for example, if you go ahead and create your Express Entry profile based on your job offer, based on your work experience, based on your language score, your education, if you are eligible for one of the streams of IRCC's Express Entry, so for example, Canadian Experience Class, FSTP or FSWP, if you are eligible for one of these criterias, you could be eligible for Alberta Express Entry also. So Alberta Express Entry doesn't specify its own work permit requirements. It will depend on your IRCC's Express Entry requirements. If you are eligible for IRCC's Express Entry, you could be eligible for Alberta Express Entry. Again, I'm using the word could and not would because, again, even Alberta Tech Pathway has a lot of requirements and work permit is just one of the requirements. So there are a lot of pathways, sub-pathways within it, like for example, dedicated healthcare pathway, accelerated tech pathway, law enforcement and priority sector. It will all depend if you can satisfy additional requirements for these substreams. You could be a candidate for Alberta Express Entry. I think we have already covered 3 of the 4 streams: tourism and hospitality, Alberta Opportunity, and Alberta Express Entry. Next comes the rural renewal stream. The rural renewal stream, also similar to tourism and hospitality stream, needs a person who has a valid work permit. So as far as your work permit eligibility is concerned, your SOWP is particularly fine. However, as applicable for other streams and each of the streams, just having a work permit doesn't make you eligible. You need to satisfy other requirements for the rural renewal stream. For example, there are occupation requirements, there are tier requirements, then there are job offer requirements, then there are work experience requirements. You have to satisfy all of these to be able to eligible for rural renewal stream. But your SOWP can still work very well with rural renewal stream. Okay, so that was the discussion. So let's do a quick summary. For tourism and hospitality, you are not eligible as a SOWP holder. For AOS, you can be eligible if you satisfy other conditions. For Alberta Express Entry stream, you can be eligible if you satisfy the Express Entry requirements. And for the rural renewal stream, you can be eligible for rural renewal stream provided you satisfy other requirements of the stream. So here is the real answer that we were all discussing till now. A spousal open work permit holder can apply for Alberta PNP, but only if they meet the stream requirements. So your job, your occupation, and your Alberta work experience matter far more than your work permit type. As we have already seen, apart from tourism and hospitality, all other streams will accept your spousal open work permit status, provided you satisfy their conditions. That is what I wanted to discuss in this particular presentation. If you have any questions, reach out in the comments. You can join this WhatsApp group that the QR code is displaying on the bottom right hand side. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much.